Ever noticed those tiny holes on your favorite biscuits? They are not decoration. And no, they are not made by accident. Those little holes are the secret behind that perfect crunch. Let's break it down. So, next time you bite into a crispy biscuit, remember there's some smart science baked right in. And let me tell you why biscuits have holes and how they make every bite better. These holes are known as docking holes. So let's dig into the real reasons behind those tiny dots. The very first reason is steam release. When biscuits bake, moisture inside turns into steam. The holes act like escape doors, releasing steam so the biscuit doesn't puff up or lose its shape. Even cooking, yes, these holes help heat circulate evenly through the dough, making sure the biscuit bakes perfectly from edge to center. It also prevents cracks and breakage. Without holes, trapped pressure could cause cracks or break the biscuit. The holes keep the pressure balanced and the biscuit intact. Next reason is perfect texture. Want that flat crispy crunch instead of a soft or airy biscuit? Those holes make it happen, especially in crackers and thin biscuits. And then comes how they are made. In homes, dough is sometimes pricked by hand. In factories, a special machine called a docker punches uniform holes to ensure consistent quality every time. So those tiny holes might be small, but they play a huge role in making biscuits crispy, neat and delicious. Now that you know why biscuits have holes, let's sprinkle in a few interesting facts that make biscuits even more interesting. National Biscuit Day is celebrated annually on May 29th in UK to appreciate all types of biscuits from sweet treats like chocolate digestive to savory crackers. While heavily celebrated in the UK, this day highlights the global love for this baked flour-based snack and encourages baking, sharing and enjoying biscuits with tea. So next time you snack on a biscuit, you'll know there's clever food science behind every crunch. Anyone here biscuit lover? If yes, then which biscuit is your all-time favorite? Let me know in the comments. And before I share few more facts, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more short interesting science behind everyday's thing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned and let's take few more interesting facts related to National Biscuit Day celebrated in UK.